Okay, look, I didn't want to have to make this video. I also don't even want to have to be using this operating system, but as you can tell, I'm here on good old-fashioned Windows, and I am importing the project for my game that I'm currently working on, Never Alone. If you want to see me develop that live, head on over to the description in or head on over to the description, the link in the description, the Odyssey one. Follow that. I stream on Odyssey. It's a fantastic platform. I love it. It's like YouTube, but better. You can thank me for referring to it to you later. So, why am I using Windows? Well, I had to go into Windows to be able to apply some firmware updates to the graphics card, apply a BIOS update, and I don't know what else, but there was a few other, or no, there was one other update that I had to apply, and it's just how Dell distributes them is essentially just through EXEs. So I needed to be on Windows. Luckily, I didn't do anything to the NVMe SSD that came with the laptop. I just slapped in my own 1TB NVMe drive into the extra slot and was running Linux off of that. So I just booted into Windows. I applied those, went back. The random crashing and audio issue, it was still present. So it's not like it's a firmware thing, even though they were labeled as urgent on Dell. So I definitely needed to apply those firmware updates, but still Linux is non-operational on this machine, and I'm not going to go back through the process of returning it, trying to get a different laptop with a different, setup that's not overpriced, because that's not going to be possible. Like, I'm tired of jumping through hoops. I want to get work done. I also want to make videos for you guys, so I can just run VirtualBox. I can hop into a Linux distribution. I'll just start a distro review. I'll take a look at some distros that I've been meaning to get a look at here recently. So that'll be a thing. It's just, come on. Oh my God, what did I do to my microphone? Oh, but I'm tired. I'm tired of all the bull crap of jumping through hoops trying to get Linux to work. I absolutely love Linux. I just love Linux. And I hate the experience here in Windows 10. I was forced to sign in with a Microsoft account. I could not for the life of me figure out how to just make an offline account. So it ended up being even easier for me to go through the hassle of trying to remember my super old Microsoft account that I haven't used in forever. So it took me multiple minutes to be able to use my phone number to even log in, because that was just, it was just a hassle. I was trying to remember my email. So I was forced to log in with a Microsoft account, because that's epic. I just don't like Microsoft's Windows 10. It's not an amazing experience, but that being said, everything just works. Like, my internal sound card just works. I can get audio out of it. Like, nothing weird happens when I plug in my external display or, unplug it. Everything seems to be working just fine. And now that you guys are in here with me, I'm going to see if this is definitely using my dedicated graphics card. Whoa, hold on. I forgot. That is real loud. Let me just turn this bad boy way on down there, and let me turn down my desktop audio for y'all boys. So it's not blisteringly loud. Let me make sure it is on the proper device. Okay. Now let's pop in here. Yeah, that's still pretty loud, but anyway. Yeah, we're getting 170 frames. That's more like the performance that I expect. That's way more like it. 180 frames per second. Yeah. That's pretty good. That's decent. It's decent. 100 and something frames. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yee. Yeah, and you guys can hear sound. Yes, this is what I'm talking about, brother. Now, one thing I'm just now noticing, none of the fog or anything, has stayed. That's all gone. I guess I can. Oh shit! She almost saw us. She almost saw us. So yeah, this is the game I'm working on. If we press F, we can throw a flashbang. And all these LODs are still screwed up because it happens every time I re-import because I keep forgetting to back up my project. So this is an older version, which doesn't matter. All I've gotten done so far is placed in more grass and fixed the LODs. So I can just redo that. But so again, we got flashbangs with F. And by the way, there's a tree right there. Likes to do that shit. And then a grenade. We can throw that, and these will be, you'll find these around the map, obviously. Hey, what's up, bitch? Where you at? Where you at? But also, I did also improve her quite a bit.
Come on out and play.
Because her eyesight's shit right now. So she loses you pretty easy.
I smell meat around here somewhere. I know I smell meat around here somewhere.
Yeah, and so that's me voice acting, and that's definitely just a placeholder. If I throw the grenade, come on, let's get her.
Meat around here.
Oh. That's such a bad sound effect, but hey, it's placeholder. It's a placeholder. Let's see, did I fix this up here? Let's see. Nope, it still can't jump there, so I gotta fix that too. And the footstep sound effects for up here are, or essentially this is just like anywhere that's not the terrain or one of the trees right now. Very loud. That is very loud. Huh. Here on Windows, the bug where you could still hear footsteps while you were jumping is fixed. Like, if you were going left. Oh, wait, no. No, it's still there. Okay, cool. I was going to be like, that's really weird. That bug shouldn't be fixed just like that. But yeah. So the game still has, obviously, quite a bit of work to be done on it, but I can finally get the performance that I paid for, so that's epic. The only non-epic part is that I will not be able to use Linux for a little bit. I don't know how long it'll be, but I'm sure in 1 or 2 kernel versions, maybe 2 or 3 months, Linux will be updated and that'll no longer be a problem. I would hope it's much sooner than that. Things in Linux normally are, especially for people like me, where I like to use Arch based distributions, so shit moves pretty fast. So hopefully I won't be on Windows for too long, but right now I'm forced into having to use it just to be able to keep getting work done. And it's only because I've just bought very new hardware. So if you're someone who's very into Linux and you want to get a super new piece of hardware that's not just, you know, maybe a new graphics card, even then you're most likely going to run into some graphics card issues, like some driver issues where you're not getting the performance you should be getting. Like that stuff just happens on Linux. Now, with time, it gets worked out. I wish I didn't have to wait. I have to use this inferior, crappier operating system until then, but I'll manage. Tell me what you guys think about me using this software. Should I not even be using Windows just to get work done? Am I heathen because I just want to get work done on the game and be productive? I mean, hey, let me know. I could be living wrong, you know, never know. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Well, hit the like button and then also go down to the description. Check out my Odyssey link. Go over there. All my videos get uploaded there as well. Sorry, I'm kicking a whole bunch, so the webcam's probably moving. But anyway, upload over there. It's fantastic. I also live stream my game over there. I've been saying I do it all the time, but I'm just now going to be live streaming today after this. So yeah, it's been a long few days. It's been a long week. You know, it's been rough, but thank you guys for watching. You guys are always awesome. For the people over on Odyssey, thank you for watching me on the best platform out there. Tip me if you love me. If you don't, that's fine. Just you know, don't forget to hit the fire button on your way out, and make sure you're followed. I'll see you in the next one. See ya. And forgive all the ums. I'm trying to stop doing that shit, but it's difficult. See ya.